Jammers, it's me, Llama, and we are on Amel Jam, and happy Valentine's Day! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! And all the Amels are dancing, and let's go to the diamond shop. Here we have a new polar bears. They're so cute, but we don't have enough diamonds. Uh-oh. But all we need to do is the monkey is dancing too. Okay, so we'll go to the shop, and here we have some new Valentine stuff. That is so cute. And go to the Jamart, the furniture, and then we have a Cupid chair and friendship cookies, friendship bow and arrow tapestry, Cupid rug, Cupid streamer, friendship banner, heart mat, heart fence gate, heart fence, heart table, pink crystals, pink chest, heart lamppost, heart tree, heart stool, heart window, 3 heart rug, rose table, and heart pinwheel. There's our new Valentine stuff, and let's go to the thingy, Epic Wonders, and then we have a heart-shaped guitar, heart-shaped diamond, and Snow Fort doghouse, and I am so cute, and also we go here, special delivery. It's fun, and it's going to be lots of Valentines to give away. I forgot to call Walmart for the singing Valentine toys, and hope you guys, thanks for watching, and then bye-bye.